It's really snowy. There's a bit of a blizzard forecast. So the wind direction's changed, so I actually want to move them back onto the hill. So these two have come across. They've got some hay. There's just so many more options of shelter on this side. Lots of different hills to go and tuck in behind. But Bonny doesn't like crossing that ditch. There's a drainage ditch between us and them, and she's struggling to cross it. There's blinking, there's head away, licking and chewing. Blink, blink, blink. And she's worried about crossing here. It's understandable because it's slippery, but she's not a big fan of jumping ditches. I think she finds it a bit uncomfortable. Right, I'm going to go and get my